ریبی, former Australian ambassador to China, said ties between the Australian and Chinese people are very strong, which is good for the improvement of the two countries' relationship. ریبی, who served as the Australian ambassador to China between 2007 and 2011, made the remarks in a recent interview with Xinhua.
I think at the people-to-people level, the relationship is still very, very strong. We have 5% of the Australian population are ethnically Chinese. Mandarin is the most commonly spoken second language in Australia. By and large, Australian and Chinese people get on extremely well. And Chinese individuals in Australia make a very big contribution to Australian life and understanding of ourselves. I think it's the bedrock on which the relationship will be based. And as I said, it's always been very good.
The former diplomat still visits China from time to time nowadays and has always been very excited by his traveling there.
I'm always very excited by traveling in China. It's a huge, immensely rich, diversified country with so much history that is so old as well. It's a phenomenally rich country in which to travel for historical, cultural, artistic, culinary. All of these reasons makes travelling in China a very fulfilling and satisfying experience. And I love the opportunity to be able to write about it and to bring my perspectives to a wider foreign audience.